myself के Mukesh. And my personal suggestion for everyone is writing is more important than the reading, because main examination needs a written ability. As in prelims, you already proved yourself. Prelims need objectivity, mains need subjectivity. And now this is the right time to join test if you have already taken the classes from anywhere else. In this test program, I am personally provide you the model answer and give you up-to-date feedback of your answer. Personally, you can contact me, you can call me. Suppose let's see once again entire schedule. In this, we are going to take 8 tests, and the syllabus are designed very systematically as the syllabus given by the UPSC examination. Main examination totally belongs to written ability. In the similar way, the essence of optional subject only develop when you writing, if you go through the schedule. So from 1 to 1.8, the most important area is the branch of anthropology, relation of anthropology, primates, their evolutions, particular primates, and things. In terms of reference book, you need to follow the PNAT. This is the just sufficient book. Marks and physical anthropology are those parts that comprise of two aspects mainly. One is the human evolution and second one is the genetics and the applied anthropology. The section 2 means the test 2 that comprises 2.1 to 8. In this you need to focus on every aspects of the socio-cultural part, right from the society, right from the culture, better say, culture, society, marriage, family, kinship, political, economic, anthropology. But before going to start reading all the chapter, first of all, revise your thinkers. After revising the thinkers, read these chapters, find out the probable questions, and then appear in the test. And for socio-cultural anthropology, I think that the book provided by the IGNOU that are one of the good book, or take the support of the Amber and Number here. Regarding test 3, it comprises 9.1 to 9.8, and this is the basically a genetics part. And in this part, you need to have a clear in your concept. Otherwise, you cannot handle all this test part. So first of all, again read PNAT, clear your fundamentals. You must be threadbare clear in your concept and do practice. Test 4, that comprises the applied part. That comprises human growth and development, epidemiology, forensic sports, nutritional anthropology. So here you need to apply the information you borrowed from the internet, from the social media, from the newspaper or magazines. You need to mention in that what are your observation personally, what we face in the corona. So you need to mention all these things in that and then appear in the test. My message for every aspirant is do your homework properly. What so many candidates fails to do. What you need to do, make a master list of key topics from the syllabus, point out the topics in short notes or long notes perspective, study and dissect them and craft your answer. Review your master list of question and answer, lock your answer before 15 days and starts revision again and again. This can help you memorizing your answer in advance, and this is the simple steps which so many candidates fails to do. cover at least 70% of syllabus by eliminating some of the topics where in last 3 years already UPSC asked questions. Next is the paper 2. Paper 2 test in this schedule that will start it from the test number 5th. The unit comprises 1.1 to 5.3. That basically deals about the Indian society, while the 6th test basically comprises the tribal anthropology. And in terms of preparation, at least go through the syllabus because you have not more time. So try to finish entire preparation by the end of the December. As I already told you, lock yourself 15 days before and do revision. And be prepared for question number 1 and 5 because it will be determinantal. So prepare it with insight. I will properly check your copy, and after why you get that much marks, you can personally to telephonic conversation, you can contact to me. And those experienced who wants to join my offline or online classes, they can join. Right now we are providing classes offline in Mukherjee Nagar. We are going to provide you offline classes also at Karol Bagh and in Noida Sector 15. In terms of online classes, you need to join with online classes through our app. This is the all this contact and Telegram channel, either through the Masterstroke app, you through the WhatsApp, direct telephone, or through the website or the email. Thank you once again and bye.